Good morning, guys. I talked to most of the people I needed to talk to yesterday. Just in general, realize you're heading into college shortly, in a year or so, and no pierdan lo grande por lo pequeño. O sea, I have a friend, and my brother also had a friend that they cheated in college in the US. They got kicked out and they were unable to apply to any other colleges because they got blacklisted. Por fijarse en un examen. Había una cámara en el techo, no se dieron cuenta. Después del examen lo llamaron y dijeron bye bye. Entonces, no pierdan lo grande por lo pequeño. Just do your work. ¿No entiendes? Si te faltaron dos o tres, no hay problema. No todo tiene que ser perfecto. Entonces, y gracias por lo que fueron honestos. Gracias. Aquí. For the next test, it's going to be chapter 6. Now, the previous testing method, I didn't like it. First of all, there was no way to grade processes. There was no way to give partial credit, que eso es muy importante. And again, it was open to just, group examining. Entonces no me gusta ese método. Yo voy a buscar otra herramienta, pero para el examen próximo, que es más tardar el martes, voy a explicar por qué el más tardar, we're actually going to be doing a live exam. It's going to be one-on-one. We're going to set up a video call, and you're going to explain the processes as you're working, and I will be grading you based on the processes and the answer. Recuerden, you're going to have partial credits. Now, every single student can expect at least one addition or subtraction of matrices. So seguro, una o ambas. One multiplication at the very least. Seguro, finding the determinant. This applies to everybody. And also one partial fraction. Everyone will definitely get at least one of those in their exam. Todo el mundo. Now, the other things I might use to fill in are theoretical questions, one solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions, Gaussian-Jordan elimination, inverse matrices, Kramer's rule, and maybe just, talk about linear optimization, which is just theoretical. Entonces, esto va seguro, lo otro es de relleno. Maybe one or two of the other type of questions. No, probably two of the other types of questions, which will just be chosen randomly. Okay? That's pretty much it for the material that's going on the test. So again, you will be working live in front of me, explicándome, and I'll just assign a grade for each question. You'll know your grade immediately, probably. Unless I might have to just view everybody's test and then get una curva, lo que sea. Now, how is this exam going to take place? Very simple. You can take the exam at any time that you want, on any day. Could be today, could be Saturday, could be Sunday. I'm open for business. Just note that the last day you can take this test is going to be Tuesday, including Tuesday. I do not recommend everybody take the test on Tuesday. Whenever you're comfortable, say, Profe, I'd like to set up a time for tomorrow at 10:30. It will be first come, first serve. If somebody reserves a test slot today, that it's reserved. So, you could reserve today, Tuesday at 4 p.m. Pero ustedes van a tener estos días con el examen en la cabeza. If you study today and you take your test soon, that's it. No tiene que hacer más nada hasta el miércoles cuando retomamos la clase. Entonces, let me know when you would like your test, and it's going to be first come, first serve. If you're not sure today, that's fine. You could choose tomorrow or Sunday or Monday. But Monday is the last time you can set up a time for Tuesday at the latest. So, okay, if you don't have a time slot for Monday, muerto. On Monday is the latest you can schedule a test. So you need to schedule the test by Monday, but you can take it on Tuesday. Entonces, qué bueno va a tener este sistema. Primero, I think it's going to be extremely fair because I will be able to see your work, ask you theoretical questions, which I do enjoy, and I haven't been able to do this, and also you will get partial credit for partial work, que eso es algo que el otro examen no me permitía. And also, as a general rule, I hate multiple choice because, again, you can sit 20 kindergarteners and one of them will probably get an 80 con multiple choice. I hate it. Entonces, that's the test. If you have any questions about the test itself, feel free to ask me at any time. You know, I'm always open between 10 a.m. and 11 p.m. You can ask me questions any day, including Saturdays and Sundays. That's fine. No estamos haciendo nada. Also, schedule your exam whenever you feel comfortable. And also ask questions about, you know, determinant, subjects, inverse. It's on a difficulty from 0 to 10. I'd place this, you know, a little bit harder than polar coordinates, but not by that much. Maybe partial fractions might be the worst part, or a Cramer's rule, but 3x3 matrix, pero it's just long, but not that difficult. Pero como quiera, no tengan dudas. O sea, recuerden que como es en vivo, it's going to be an interactive test. I will be asking questions about your work. And you will get partial credit for partial answers. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. De verdad, llámenme. I've talked to a couple of students a couple of the days. That's excellent. Again, feel free to contact me with questions. Aquí como este examen va a ser en vivo, it's going to be somewhat short. I'm guessing you'll need about 20 minutes max. It's going to be a short test, but it's going to be very interactive. Entonces, uno también tiene que estar bien claro en cómo pensar, because I might be asking you questions on the go. So make sure you're very clear. And also, this is one of the first tests. I might ask theoretical questions. Entonces, léanse bien el material. There might be theoretical questions. Okay. That's it. Any questions? Let me know. Set up a time. And again, the time slots will be 20-minute intervals. Por si acaso. Always starting at the beginning of the hour. So you can't reserve for 12:10. You either reserve for 12 or for 12:20. Eso es todo. First come, first serve. Have a great day. Let me know if you have questions.